The local economy has been battling the negativity brought about by the electricity challenges hindering economic activity, and also the logistics challenges due to inefficiencies at Transnet impacting freight and port functions. The high cost of living and interest rate environment has also impacted household consumption negatively. Economists say the impact of a 475 basis points increase in interest rates has weighed heavily on domestic trade. Gross domestic product contracted by 0.2% in the third quarter of 2023.
Our expectation for the fourth quarter of 2024 is a GDP contraction, looking at manufacturing, construction, mining, agriculture and retail having not performed as expected. And I believe that will make us to have a contraction, same as we had a contraction in the third quarter of 2023 as well. I think that technically will mean as well that South Africa in the last quarter, in the third quarter and the fourth quarter of 2023, the definition of it will be a technical recession.
Another economist expects the local economy to dodge the technical recession.
The South African economy definitely expected to avert a technical recession with a positive growth number in the quarter. On the positive side, sectors that will contribute positively are the mining sector, manufacturing, transport and communication, the finance, financial and real estate sector, amongst others. The ones that will remain negative, in my view, is the wholesale and retail trade sector, whereas I expect construction and the agricultural sector to just move sideways. Overall, this will seal the 2023 GDP growth number in real terms at 0.6% in my view, comparing to 1.9% in 2022. So that is still a mediocre economic growth performance, especially if one recognizes that this is below the population growth of South Africa.
2024, being an election year, is also expected to have a dampening effect on investor confidence.
Practically 18 months towards elections, investors start to be looking at such an economy as strategically risky, and then they will need to mitigate that. So investment is the money that will be going in all these sectors. So with retail, there was less expectations that retail will boom. But at the same time, retail did not perform as expected. And when you look at mining, you look at other sectors that are there, including energy, you can as well attest that such sectors did not really get to perform well.
The local economy is expected to grow by about 1% this year, slightly higher than the forecasted growth of 0.5% for 2023. This level of growth is, however, too low to create meaningful jobs in the economy, to reduce the levels of unemployment and poverty. Doris Sefagomosi, SABC News, Johannesburg.